Sultan was a comedian. I mean, he's a musician by profession, but a comedian by nature. So if you've been around him, he keeps you 100% funny, but he also keeps you 100%. He used to keep it 100% real.
Sultan would be the only straightforward human being I ever met. I don't think, I don't know if I can meet another Sultan, but for me, Sultan was the only straight human being, at least in the music industry. I mean, in the entertainment industry that I've met.
That's the intelligence of Sound Sultan, picking regular things and just turning them into something so beautiful, so amazing, that would outlive you if you're the person doing it. And in his case, it has totally outlived him. It's unfortunate he went that way, but I'm also delighted to see that. I don't remember standing here now how many Nigerian celebrities who have passed have such syndicated tribute across the entire globe, honoring him and what he has done for our industry.
One I was saying is the one we did a feature together with, because it's a very, very strong advice. It's a short series on Mama Bilikiri, Don't be Ojaru, Don't Kiri, Kosola, Latiko Abidi, Amo Tiraka, Shagiri, and he goes, because everybody want bling bling, everybody likes shining. When you tell them to sing, then prefer to the miming. Nobody want move muscle, use their mouth to take hustle. Every day not tomorrow, I tell you what I know.
We had a lot in common. Conscious, funny, music, act, right. He was a taller version of me.
I don't know what to say. It's painful and it's like a dream. So let's just keep imagining that he's here, that maybe he just traveled. Let's not. For me, as in, that's the best way to cope, to just feel that he traveled and also be back. So,
any Nigerian entertainer who has passed in recent memory and had the honor of being celebrated in 5 cities. We do not mourn you, Sound Sultan. We celebrate you for the fine music, great memories that you've shared with the world today. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome all of you to Sound Sultan's night of tribute. Family members, friends, colleagues, brands, whatever you've done to contribute to today's event, we thank you immensely.
It's not a celebration of Africa. That's what I want to clap for something. No one I don't do. I be the two quits I want to talk. I was Vector, and so I never see that kind of prayer before when you pray. They advise us, they pray for us too. And it makes sense. Please clap for Vector. Princess. You see, the truth about these things, I don't really come here for crack joke. But I just feel like saying death to the increase. Because if you want to people, you go ask questions. Who would not like make go? Who will tell you? Just throw past body on. Just throw past body on. You understand? When they talk about so rock like 8, they 8. What we not need. What do they use like what they do? Take them now. If you don't be like, they're not going to say at the place. What do they use this man? You see, you are too quiet. You know, the sweet thing about Sultan, and I say, you go feel like say you know I well. Until another person begin to tell you story. You go to say, I like the guy, they do like this, they do that. Another person will tell you this thing. And you see, the truth about this thing, you say, now only Sultan. I don't know of another person, no. I don't know of another person. The only Sultan for this industry, and maybe myself, we feel vouch for saying they need to cheat. For this full industry, I mean, you understand? Even me not trust myself like that. That's why I say maybe myself.
For Nigerians to leave Big Brother Nigeria, to celebrate the Big Brother Nigeria Ninja, I mean, a round of applause. And by the way, because you heard that Sultan does not smoke and does not drink, and he had cancer, he does not womanize. He does not womanize, very important. He doesn't. Some people don't believe us. He doesn't, it's possible. I mean, for him not to do all those things, it's not if you have a bad habit, just stop it. That's not the time that you now request for 2 parts.
She makes me want to touch her.
me when to Abiyana. When you get to a say me when to Delediwa. After you bypass the narrow path, must say me when to the angels. But after you fled past the borders, must say me when to the Father. Yeah, unlike the rose flower beautifying my home, which was picked by a man not allowing to grow. Unlike the walking stick picked by a man who cannot see, taken from him in front of a deep pit. So do I feel, so do I feel, so do I feel. Oh, I love how it feels on your birthday. Would make me have these feelings will never part ways, yeah. But my friend, I bet flood away out of the cage. She said that the cage was another place. And I wish I could fly, but I have no wings, yo. But thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
When I wanted to heal him or whatever, I would just send the words, "Hello, Baale," and he would respond. And that's how we sort of communicated, Sultan and myself. He was indeed an icon. He was a man who literally showed us what being a human being was about. Is that I didn't get to know him for as long as a lot of other people, because I hear people talk about him and talk about how he was a long time ago, and I missed that boat.
I want to ask a question. How much did he sell balloon? Because the other day my king to birthday. He's getting charged me, man. Like, this is fraud. For one time.
No matter where you go, make you no forget area, area. That's one more say, baby, they won't
friend. We worked on music together. We had a collaboration on the remix of my song Fumilo. So I had a working relationship with him, and he was someone that like he was always there for everybody. He was like the person that's like you do a song with him and he gives you like 200% on the song.